can literally put it on and go. Like, it is completely glueless, y'all. Today I have another glueless wig install for my lazy girls. This one is from Kisslove Hair, and then the wig came in this plastic bag right here, and it also had a wig net around it. So here is the natural texture of the hair. As you can see, this is a kinky straight texture, y'all. Look at this. Get into this texture. Here is a close-up of the closure. It is a 6 by 4.5 inch HD lace closure. It has bye-bye knots, which just means that the knots are bleached. It also has a pre-plucked hairline, and as you can see, that excess lace has already been removed, so it is a pre-cut lace wig as well. I'm gonna go ahead and take out everything from inside the wig so I can show you the inside cap construction. Here is the inside of the wig's cap construction. Here is the HD lace closure. We also have this elastic adjustable strap, and it does have a silicone grip right here, so it can be a completely glueless install. It also has adjustable straps back here. So I'm gonna install the silicone elastic band around my head first, y'all. And once that's secure, we're gonna go ahead and pull the wig back. So before I pull the wig up, I'm going to fix my wig cap. I don't have my hair braided underneath, so the wig cap did slip back a bit, but it's not a big deal. And then we're gonna pull this forward. It's nice and tight and secure on my head. As you can see, the lace, you can see the color on my hairline. So now let's go ahead and see what things are looking like. This wig is nice and secure, y'all. It is ready to go and wear. So here is what the lace is looking like now. To me, that looks like it is growing out of my scalp now instead of like a light grayish type color. So that's just what I like to do to make my wigs look really nice. I'm not gonna do any baby hairs on this wig. I am going to make sure that the middle of the wig is lined up with the middle of my nose, and I'm gonna make it go back just a little bit longer so we can get the full parting space. Then I'm gonna take my ebon wax stick and go around this entire parting area. She is nice and flat up top, y'all. Normally I go over my kinky straight hair with a straightener, but the texture of this hair is so nice, I don't even want to use a straightener on it. It has this nice like coarseness to it that I think really adds to the volume and the texture of this hair. So we're gonna keep it just like this. So you can literally wear this wig straight out of the box. You don't have to do baby hairs on this wig if you don't want to. You can literally put it on and go. Like, it is completely glueless, y'all. This kinky straight texture is so beautiful. It has a coarseness to it. Honestly, I wouldn't even straighten this hair. Even after you wash it, I would just let the hair air dry and just wear it in its natural texture because it adds to the fullness and the believability of this texture. I think y'all are really gonna love this wig.